You said, whoa.
What? You're not afraid of the stairs, are you? Come on, I'll carry you down. Well, you made it.
Yeah.
What do you think? Shall we go see what's around the bend?
Sure. Hard part covered.
Oh, maybe. Pop, look up.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's pretty. Big.
Long and tall.
Yep. Pine cone graveyard.
Yeah.
Tiny little pine cones.
We know where the pine cones fall, don't we?
Yes, we do. See? Compared to this old guy, you're a spring chicken. You're just a baby. Are you hiding? Okay, want to see the funny? Ready for the funny? I don't even have to duck. I can just walk right under it. It's hitting you in the head. I can just walk right under it. Ooh, look at all that sap. I bet you're getting sap in your hair. You're gonna be sappy. That big smile is for his grilled avocado burger.
Avocado.
You what?
Avocado burger?
This one's a homemade problem.
Didn't that look good?
Onion bun. I'll cut that for you. There you go. You are ready to go. See if you can knock that monster out. Say, Gloppy food tastes so good. I'm one healthy dude 'cause I eat Gloppy food.